Good morning students. In yesterday class we had learned about the coal and the different types of coal and their uses. And today's class we are starting with the petroleum. The same process, that means decay of the dead matters that occurs on the land result in the formation of coal. The same process that occurs in the ocean or inside the sea. That process makes, as a result of that process, that means decaying of this what you will say animals, aquatic plants, whatever that, above that the mud will be buried. It is buried inside the ocean and the mud, clay, they forms a layer, forms the layer. Understood? After layer, what is happening there? The pressure is increased. Once it is covered, inside that heat is produced, pressure is produced. Due to that pressure, what happens? That started decaying. And this fossil fuel, you already know how many years it will take? Millions of years, not 10 or 15 lakhs, 10 lakhs of years. Millions means 10 lakhs, okay? And under that pressure, they are converting. And if that process that takes place in soil, in land, then we are obtaining coal. And if the process that takes place in ocean, we are getting petroleum. Understood? From petroleum, what are the things we are getting? We are getting first petrol, which is used in automobiles. Automobile means like a bike, scooty, car, all that vehicles we are calling it as automobiles. And next thing we are getting is diesel. Diesel is used in trucks, everyone knows. And next thing we are getting is lubricating oil. Lubricating oil means that you are getting from, that is used along with the vehicles. Vehicle में oils डालते हैं, पता है? Because that makes the movement of the engine, working of the engine smooth. Understood? Engine oil change करने के लिए बोलते हैं, that is called lubricating oil. And next thing we are getting is bitumen, one of the thing that is used in road surfacing. We said na coal tar is replaced by nowadays by bitumen. Understood? And next thing we are getting is grease. Grease is used in the hinges of the door. Door में आवाज आते तो grease डालते हैं. Understand? And next we are getting is kerosene. Kerosene is used in the stoves and lamp. Understood? Earlier there was kerosene lamp was there. Nowadays it is replaced by candles. Nowadays we are using candles. Golden days we are using kerosene. Understood? These are the things we are getting from the petroleum. How we are getting from the petroleum? By the process of refining. Refining means cleaning, purifying. Purify करने के time पे that we are processing. When doing one process, while we are doing the process at one temperature, these things are released. Understood? And that we are using for the various process which is shown in the table. You can learn that. Okay. And next we are going to next topic, that is natural gas. Yesterday itself I said that when decaying of the substance takes place, when we are going to remove the petroleum, when we are going to take the petroleum, first thing when we are drilling inside, the ocean, the first thing we are obtaining is what? Gas form. That gas is called as natural gas. Understood? And this natural gas is compressed in cylinders and they are used for the vehicle purposes, auto rickshaws. You can see that behind that auto rickshaw it is written that CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. Okay, compressed natural gas, and it causes less pollution compared to this petroleum. They causes less pollution. Understood? And next is some of the natural resources are limited. For example, this petroleum, coal, and this natural gases, they are all in limited form. So we have to utilize it wisely. Utilize it wisely means if we are having the public bus service or this type of things, if only I have to go somewhere, then I can use that bus service. For that I should not use a four-wheeler or anything. Understood? There we can save the petrol. Yes or no? Instead of one person, we are taking one car and we are going traffic jam, petrol is wasted, but bus service is there from here Vapi to Valsad, then we can prefer that. If it is just near, the bus stop is just nearby my home, then I can prefer that. In case if it is not bus services, then I can take my own vehicle. There we can save the petrol. If the thing is walkable distance, if I want to go to MACD, there I should not take a two-wheeler. I can walk and go because it is walkable distance. Yes or no? Like that we have to use the petrols wisely. And PCRA, that means Petroleum Conservation Resource Reservation Association. What they are saying, people to save the petrol and save the diesel. Why? Because within few years it will become completed. That means they are in limited quantity. I think students, petrol is done, refining of petrol is done by the fractional distillation process, through which the different materials, like different things like petrol, diesel, lubricant and bitumen, grease and kerosene are obtained. And one more thing, that just have a recollection of the chapter. And here comes the end of the chapter. After this, some of the natural resources are limited. Okay, and just have a recapitulation of the chapter before ending the chapter. Okay, we had started our chapter with the topic of resources, and we had learned about the exhaustible and inexhaustible resources, where exhaustible means that thing is in limited. The resources that are in limited, they are called as exhaustible resources. The thing that is not completed when you are utilizing, then we are calling it as inexhaustible resources. Okay, and then we had learned about the coal and the different products that are obtained from the coal, and we had learned about the petroleum and different products that are obtained from the petroleum. Understood? And then we had learned about the natural gas, and at last we had end the chapter by learning about some of the natural resources are limited. What are the natural resources that are limited? That is fossil fuels. Fossil fuels mean petrols, diesel, minerals. This all comes in the limited quantity. Okay, students. Thank you.